So, sorry if it's too loud, but as I said from previous video, at the end of the month, I said I'm going to buy a USB-C and upgrade some RAM, which I did. So I bought the USB-C. Now I can actually do this. We'll check on that later. And also I can record much more, with more RAM. I can literally record more stuff and I can load more stuff. And let me show you. So I can record this now because the RAM is enough. So there is a lot of progress from previous, well, not a lot of progress. Actually, I just edited some today. All right. But what I mean by a lot of progress is that I got a lot of understanding in some stuff. But at the same time, I'm still confused at some ways. So what I gained is that in the previous video, I make these things using CMake, which is, I think it's a terrible idea or something. And then this one uses NDK build because the previous build did use GNI. I don't know how to pronounce it. So yeah, previous build using GNI and then this thing actually working at some point, but still need some work. And by the way, this error, well, this is like the latest, and this one is actually previous build, and this latest thing is actually the fix for this previous build. But as you can see, there is problem, and their start place depends on defined model systems utils. And I could just, using this thing allow missing, but that's a horrible idea because if you literally allow missing on this parts, it won't gonna run, I guarantee you. So yeah, another problem is this thing. Like, there is these two libraries, right? The reason why there is two library is that previous version of Quake 1 for Android is they have two projects. There is Quake for Android, which include this Dark Place library, or at least the C codes. This is from Quake for Android, and this is from Quake 3 project, but only the user interface. So the original owner probably used these two apps, combined it in one. And that's the problem because, well, the app from the previous Android, I don't know if they actually use Android Studio or not, but I think like previously they make it with two packages or two projects, one with Quake and one with Quake 3 UI. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to do this thing. How should I say this? Put it in the same place, these libraries. Same thing with the Java script, not JavaScript, like literally Java script. And previously, like on this previous build, why I did it I tried to fix this thing. I tried to load these both things and put it in library. What I did is that I copy NDK pool twice. So first up, I load NDK build path dark places, and then after that I load it with Qi4A loader. As I said in the previous video, I'm a Unity developer and I have no experience at all with Android Studio. So what happened is literally the dark place build first, and then after that the Qi4A loader NDK build overwrites it. So the dark place is not gonna load up. Yeah, there is no lib dark. There is no lib dark place CISO. So I need to figure out how to load these two things. And another thing is that I guess there is no other thing. But let me show you. This is the previous build. This is what happens. See, this is the previous build. Now, as I said before, this one have libq3a loaded because it overrides the lib dark places. Now, because it's loaded, I can actually have this control. Well, I can't edit it yet because probably there is some, like this uses old input and I probably need it to update. I also need to replace the art because this art is owned by the original developer. I'm going to respect it. And I mean, the license says I can't use it on the other apps on my own project. I don't know if it's actually can't be used on my own project or not. I forgot. But there is that sort of, that sort of line on license. Not exactly license, but like it's just like they say you can't use the art. So what I'm going to do after this whole thing done, I'm going to update the art. I have Krita, so I can use that. And let me show you what will happen if I start a game. Because, on this build, there is no lib dark place, so when I start the game, it crash because there is no dark place. So that's what I'm going to do now. First, I'm going to try to make it load lib dark places. After that, I'm going, if that actually works, but the libq3a actually not exist, I'm going to try find a way to load up both dark places and Qi4A loader GNI. So that's what we are going to do. Yeah, I guess that's it. It's not much. Also, as you can see, I'm actually changing to Fedora because I think they have much more latest stuff, and actually it's stable too. So yeah, I guess that's all about it. I'm going to keep on doing this, keep tinkering on it. Hopefully this thing will work. I'm really excited with this project because I really like Quake for Android. I really like playing games on mobile. Well, not mobile games like gacha games, but what I mean by that is like console games or emulation, something like that. And this is one of the things that I like. I really hope this thing will be working. And I hope that, it won't be a problem. And once it succeeds, I will announce it. But if it's not, probably going to announce it too. And hopefully someone will be able to help with these things. Because Android Studio is not yet my expertise. So yeah, I guess that's all about it. I'll tell you when things are done. Or there's progress. See ya.